guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shari Nair and I hope you all are doing well and you guys are safe and healthy at home. So today we are going to prepare a new recipe and that is Tambda Rassa. It is a red mutton curry from Kolhapur. So let's find out how to prepare Tambda Rassa. I'll be mentioning all the measurement in the description box. The ingredients that we need to cook the mutton are some onion, turmeric powder, chilli powder, some bay leaves, ginger garlic paste, and finally some Kanda Lasun Masala. So into a cooker, let's add 1 tablespoon oil. Once it heats, add the bay leaves and wait until it crackles. Then add the onion and saute until it comes to a golden brown color. Add some turmeric powder and the ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell leaves. Add the Kanda Lasun Masala and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. If you think it's burning, add a little bit of water and stir it well. Now add the mutton and saute it for 5 minutes. Add some salt in between and keep stirring. Side by side, boil 2 cups of water to add it to the mutton. Add some salt if required at this stage and mix everything well and cook the mutton until it is tender. So I cooked for 2 whistles, my mutton was cooked by then. To make the spice paste, first we are going to dry roast the spices. Into a pan, let's add some whole spices like black pepper, green and black cardamom and roast it until it leaves a beautiful aroma. Here I am going to roast the cumin and fennel seeds together and wait until it turns a little brown and leaves an aroma. Add some khaskhas and roast it until it comes to a light brown color. Same way, add some sesame seed and wait until it's light brown color. So I didn't have nutmeg, so instead I'm using allspice. So allspice is a single spice and I'll be making a detailed video about this spice later. So let's add some cinnamon, mace and clove and roast it. I've taken some grated dried coconut and roasting it until it comes to a golden brown color. So to roast the onion, I have cut the bottom of the onion and I'm going to roast it on the open flame. So to just make it quicker, I'm going to brush few drops of oil and roast it until the peel is charred and the onion is softened. Once the onion is nicely roasted, we shall discard the peel. If you are using the peel, the masala can turn to be bitter. Let's roughly cut the onion and let it cool before grinding the spice blend. Let's mix all the roasted ingredient together. Let's add the onion to the grinder, add required amount of water and grind it to a smooth paste. By then, my mutton was ready. It was cooked and it was really tender. So I'm just going to transfer the mutton into a heavy bottom vessel. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the spice paste. Stir everything well and keep cooking it until all the flavors comes together. So I let it cook open for more 5 minutes. To add more color, that is Tambda, basically the red color, I'm going to add some Kashmiri chilli powder. After mixing everything well, I'm going to add some lemon juice. Let's close the lid and let the mutton cook for more 10 minutes. In case if you feel the gravy is thicker, you can add more water at this stage, but do make sure that you are adding hot water. Let's garnish with some coriander leaves, and here we have our Tambda Rassa ready. Tambda Rassa really goes well with some hot rice or bhakri. So here I have prepared ghawne, which is like the neer dosa of Maharashtra, and it did go really well with it. I hope you will all like this recipe and let me know how did you find it in the comment box. So do make sure to like and share and be safe at home. Until then, I'll be back with more recipe. Bye bye.